What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I did a long form video that is fitness and health related, but I'm back. If you like my content, hit that subscribe button, but we gonna get right into it, y'all. I got a game changer right here. You see that? This is called the Slim Extreme 4D Intense Slimming Remodeling Serum. Did you catch all that? Pretty much liposuction in a tube. I love to use this. I'm gonna show you how I use it, but what it does, it helps with that fat breakdown in a nutshell. So it helps with cellulite, it helps prevent the adipose tissue from building up, and the way it works, it causes lipolysis. So lipolysis is the breakdown of fat tissue, right? So when you put it on, you're gonna feel like that burning sensation. It's not like, you'll feel that tingling, and that's just it doing its job. And what it does, it just kind of just break down that fat tissue. So if you eating clean, you working out, this will help. It would enhance all that. So y'all, let me tell you. Now I know I talked about some other like anti-cellulite cream, but this has been a game changer. Y'all can buy this on Amazon. I think it cost me like $12 or $13. Go check out the reviews for yourself. It also helps restore collagen. You know, collagen is a protein that gives our skin that elasticity, and you know, like me, when you get older, we start to lose that elasticity, so this kind of helps with that. And like I say, when you get older, our elasticity kind of declines, so this kind of help brings it back out. And I would strongly suggest you guys getting this and feel the little tingling, little burn. Now, comparing this to this other product that I used in the past by Equate, the brand from Walmart, like that, game changers, ladies, game changers. Make sure you guys are using this, and pretty much it works. It mimics the effect, why they call it lipo in a tube, because it mimics the effect of radioactive waves that they use with the big heavy equipment. If you go into any type of wellness or fitness center, you will see that what I'm talking about. And I actually I did a video on that, so I put it, hopefully I can put it in a card up in here somewhere, so y'all can go check that out. But I'm gonna show y'all how I use this. This is good. I put this on my abdomen, my bum, my legs, my thighs, pretty much my lower body. Let me tell you, it works. And if you can go check out the reviews on Amazon, a lot of people say they notice it working right away, which is true. If you do this with cardio, you know, you're going to see some results from your cardio right away, because it's probably just some water waste coming off from you. So you go, because your weight fluctuates throughout the day. So yes, you technically can see results instantly, but long-term results, I would definitely recommend using this. And when you're using this like on your legs, your bum, use a massager. I tell you all the time about my little massager I keep with me, but I'm about to give you a demonstration on how I use this. And what I'm about to show you, game changer. Just hold on, y'all. So first I just massage it into my abdomen, my thighs, my legs, and my bum, and I use my massager gun. Put some saran wrap over it, as you can see, and then I put my waist trainer on, do some cardio, and take it off, and girl, 1 pound down. Telling you, your girl in here be dropping gems. But I hope this helped. I hope you put this in your gym bag. This is a very good addition to your workout. You want to stimulate those abs, you want to burn some fat on top of your cardio. I strongly suggest you use this. Keeping this in my gym bag, baby. Keep it in my gym bag. And this right here is just a massage gun. I don't like saying a word. I'm just gonna call it a muscle massager. And if you are a strength trainer like myself, you will find this very helpful. But I can do a whole video on this later, so look out for that video too. But yeah, you just press it here. Okay, hold it. Yeah, and there's different levels to it. And after that workout, before you leave that gym, do this to kind of help with the muscle soreness that you are going to experience if you're a heavy lifter like myself. I also look skinny, but they're really big, y'all. But anyway, that's all I got for you for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay tuned. Like my content if you like it. and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.